Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. In this video, I am showing you the final setup of the low-cost hydroponic system, or you could say a simple hydroponic backyard hydroponic system. So what I've done different is that I've installed a filter on the line, and this filter basically filters the water before it goes to the poly pipes and into the bucket, right? Because what the filter will do is filter out any debris or anything that can basically block the poly pipes, or these little emitters that are the connectors that the poly pipe is connected to. Because the connector, it has a little hole in it, and any kind of debris can block it and prevent water from coming through. So I've installed this filter, and what I've also done is the same strainer that I've placed inside the bucket to prevent the perlite from running out or going through the pipe and going back to the reservoir is the same mesh I use on the return, right, which will give me that added filtering effect. So if anything basically gets through the bucket and goes into the main line, it will be caught there. So every now and then I'll just remove that strainer and throw away any debris that may be caught in it. So and then of course what I've gone ahead and done is I've installed this lock off valve here, so that I can basically just open it, right, like that, and flush it and flush the line, because every now and then the line will need to flush the line. So as you can see, the mesh, they are inside, but what I want you to know is that this is basically where the updates will stop for now, as a matter of fact, for another couple of weeks, because I won't be basically here to monitor the system if I basically plant any plants now. So I'll be off for maybe 6 weeks. So because of that, I've decided not to plant anything as yet, right? So the pump is basically in the system, right? The pump is in the system. Here's the electrical cord. But if I plant anything now, it's just a matter of about a week time. I'll be off on vacation, so and I'm planning to go to Jamaica. So I won't be here to monitor the plants and so on. So I've decided to just set up the system. Water is inside the tank. Let me just show you. So what I've done is, even though you see this like this, what I've done is I've you can pull off. So I pull this off, put it one side, and just slide the tank, right? So there's the water, and I've already verified if it's leaking or not. So I've already marked where the water is, and it's basically the same level, so I know that the tank is not leaking, and that is a good sign, right? So we have water here, clean water. This doesn't have any nutrients or anything. As I said, this water will stay here until I get back from vacation, right? Until I get back from vacation, then I'll plant some plants, right? So yeah, and what I'll do is I'll just get something and cover these buckets, or what I can do is I can just remove the mesh, put them back, put them back in a bag, and just cover the buckets, right? But the system is completed. So as I said, whenever we're ready to plant, we're going to plant tomato, cucumber, pepper, and so on. And of course we have inside there to set up. I'll do that when I come back from vacation, right? All I need to get for inside here is just to get the maybe about three um, three containers that I'm going to do deep water culture in, to do some lettuce and so on. So it's okay, and as you can see around the back here is very clean, so I can extend this bucket system all the way down. And as you can see, I have a large enough tank here, and if I want to make a larger tank, I can easily just move these fabric containers, because the excavation is there right down to the end of that bag there. So I can, this is the length, I have this space, can make more tank space, right? So yeah, this is what the system looks like, and um, you will be seeing more of this maybe in another call it maybe in another 2 months time. um, but of course you will be getting other videos as well. So it's not like you're not going to get any videos from me, right? I'll be doing some videos in Jamaica, visiting some greenhouse farms and so on. So you will just get the Jamaica edition, right? So with that said, please remember to subscribe to the channel, and please like the video and so on. Bye bye.